Hey there, electricity enthusiasts. Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Electricity Frenzy, the channel where we delve into the fascinating world of motors, circuits, and all things electricity. I'm thrilled to have you join me once again. Before we jump into today's topic, I want to take a moment to introduce myself. I'm an electrical engineer, and I've spent countless hours immersed in the realm of electrical motors, gaining hands-on experience in maintenance and troubleshooting. With my background in this field, I'm excited to share my knowledge with all of you. In this episode, we're going to explore a subject that combines both curiosity and caution: overvolting electric motors. It's a concept that may pique your interest, but it also comes with potential risks. So, let's embark on this electrifying journey together. Are you ready? Let's dive right into the captivating world of overvolting electric motors. Have you ever wondered what happens when you push an electric motor beyond its limits by applying a higher voltage? Well, today we're going to explore the consequences and potential risks involved. So, let's dive right in. When we talk about overvolting, we mean supplying an electric motor with a voltage higher than what it is designed for. The first thing that can happen is an increase in speed. It's like stepping on the accelerator pedal of a car, but for electric motors. However, this can exceed the motor's mechanical limits, potentially leading to damage or failure. Additionally, overvolting can result in increased torque output from the motor. Torque is what gives motors their rotational force, and while it may be useful in some cases, excessive torque can strain the motor's components and cause issues such as overheating, reduced lifespan, or even catastrophic failure. Speaking of overheating, overvolting causes the motor to generate more heat due to increased current flow. The motor's windings and other components may not be designed to handle this extra heat, leading to insulation breakdown, short circuit, melting of internal parts, or thermal expansion issues and potential motor burnout. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Your support means a lot to me and helps the channel grow. Now, let's talk about lifespan. Overvolting significantly shortens the lifespan of an electric motor. The increased stress and heat can cause the insulation on the motor's windings to deteriorate more rapidly, and other components can wear out or fail prematurely. But it's not just the motor itself that can be affected. Overvoltage can also damage electrical and electronic components associated with the motor, such as the motor controller or any connected control systems. These components may not be designed to handle the higher voltage, leading to malfunctions or permanent damage. And of course, let's not forget about safety risks. Overvoltage can pose hazards, especially if the motor is not properly protected or if the excess voltage causes the motor to behave unpredictably. Electrical arcing, sparks, or motor failure can all result in injury to personnel or damage to surrounding equipment. That's why it's crucial to remember that overvolting an electric motor is generally not recommended unless you have a thorough understanding of its specifications and limitations. Operating the motor outside its design voltage range can lead to significant risks and may void warranties or certifications. If you find yourself needing to modify the motor's speed or torque, I highly recommend consulting the manufacturer or a qualified electrician or engineer. They can guide you in making proper and safe modifications that align with the motor's capabilities. Well, that wraps up today's episode of Electricity Frenzy. We hope you found this information enlightening and helpful. Remember, electricity can be fascinating, but it's important to handle it responsibly. Stay tuned for more electrifying content, and don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow electricity enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all our latest episodes.